Before television broadcasts showcased flawless championship golf courses. Before laser-guided irrigation systems measured every drop of water. Before satellites helped monitor the health of grass. Someone had already walked the fairways. Long before sunrise. Every single morning. Quietly, methodically, patiently. Those people are known as greenkeepers. Their work rarely appears on television. Spectators applaud the golfers. Photographers capture the trophies. But few people notice the professionals responsible for the course itself. Every perfectly striped fairway, every immaculate putting green, every healthy blade of grass exists because someone cared for it. And to perform that demanding work, they needed clothing that worked just as hard. Among the most overlooked pieces of professional workwear are Greenkeeper trousers. At first glance, they resemble ordinary outdoor pants. Straight legs, utility pockets, reinforced stitching, durable fabric. Nothing flashy, nothing unnecessary. But beneath that modest appearance lies decades of ergonomic engineering and textile innovation. Because maintaining a golf course is unlike almost any other profession, a greenkeeper may walk more than 15 kilometers in a single day. They kneel, lift, push machinery, inspect delicate turf, repair irrigation systems, trim vegetation, work through rain, morning dew, intense sunshine, cold wind. Every season presents different challenges. Their trousers must adapt continuously. The history of greenkeeping begins alongside the history of golf itself. Early Scottish golf courses were shaped naturally by coastal landscapes. Maintenance relied almost entirely on manual labor. Simple tools, patient observation, generations of accumulated knowledge. The clothing reflected that reality. Heavy wool protected workers from cold winds. Sturdy trousers resisted rough terrain. Comfort was limited. Durability mattered most. As golf expanded across the world, expectations changed dramatically. Courses became more elaborate. Grass species diversified. Maintenance techniques evolved into a specialized science. The clothing evolved alongside the profession. Greenkeeper trousers became purpose-built equipment rather than ordinary work pants. Modern textile engineering transformed everything. Synthetic fibers introduced remarkable durability. Ripstop weaving prevented small tears from becoming major damage. Water-resistant coatings protected against morning moisture. Breathable membranes reduced overheating during long shifts. The trousers became a portable climate management system. Reinforced knees represent one of the garment's most practical innovations. Greenkeepers constantly kneel while repairing sprinkler heads. Inspecting turf conditions, adjusting course markers, maintaining delicate greens. Repeated pressure quickly destroys ordinary fabric. Additional reinforcement dramatically extends garment lifespan. Again, invisible engineering creates visible reliability. Stretch panels improved mobility even further. Traditional workwear often restricted movement. Modern greenkeeper trousers incorporate flexible woven sections around the knees, hips, and seat. Walking feels easier. Climbing machinery becomes smoother. Bending requires less effort. The garment works with the body rather than against it. Pocket placement deserves equal attention. Every tool has a purpose. So does every pocket. Soil probes, measuring devices, small repair tools, course markers, notebooks, gloves. Storage must remain accessible without interfering with movement. Poorly positioned pockets create imbalance. Good design makes equipment feel weightless. Weather resistance presents another fascinating challenge. Greenkeepers begin work when grass remains covered in dew. Moisture surrounds them before sunrise. Later, the same trousers may face intense summer heat. Then sudden rainfall. One garment, multiple climates. Advanced textile coatings allow water to bead across the surface while permitting body heat to escape from within. This delicate balance defines high-performance outdoor clothing. Psychology also shapes professional workwear. Uniform clothing reinforces identity, responsibility, competence, discipline. When a greenkeeper puts on professional trousers, the garment signals the beginning of skilled work. The clothing becomes part of a professional mindset. Researchers often describe this phenomenon as enclothed cognition. What we wear influences how we think. Greenkeeper trousers quietly support that transformation. Technology continues advancing rapidly. Some experimental fabrics incorporate enhanced abrasion resistance inspired by mountaineering apparel. Others improve visibility during early morning operations through subtle reflective details. Moisture management fibers increase comfort throughout long workdays. Every improvement protects the worker. Because protecting professionals ultimately protects the golf course itself. Environmental sustainability now drives another generation of innovation. Recycled polyester fibers reduce waste. Water-efficient dyeing methods conserve resources. Longer-lasting garments reduce replacement frequency. Responsible manufacturing complements responsible land management. The philosophy remains consistent. Care for the environment. Care for the people maintaining it. Golf itself has changed dramatically. Championship tournaments attract millions of viewers. Courses host international events. Technology transforms competition. Yet beneath every modern tournament lies ancient craftsmanship. Grass still grows. Soil still breathes. Nature still requires human understanding. Greenkeepers remain essential. Their trousers evolve continuously because their work never becomes easier. It simply becomes more precise. Perhaps that is the hidden lesson behind this overlooked garment. Perfection often depends upon invisible professions. The smooth putting surface admired by spectators. The flawless fairway photographed by magazines. The immaculate landscape celebrated by television broadcasts. Exist because skilled people perform careful work long before anyone arrives. Their clothing reflects that dedication. Reliable, practical, unpretentious, built for purpose rather than recognition. Very few garments represent professionalism so honestly. Greenkeeper trousers never sought fashion. They pursued function. Ironically, that commitment to function gives them lasting beauty. Every seam tells a story of experience. Every reinforcement reflects real challenges. Every improvement honors generations of workers who understood the land. And beneath the weather-resistant fabric, beneath the reinforced knees, beneath quiet mornings, rolling fairways, championship greens, maintenance workshops, sunrise inspections, and countless hours of careful craftsmanship, Greenkeeper trousers tell a larger story. A story about dedication, about precision, about the invisible professionals whose work allows excellence to appear effortless. Because greatness is rarely created in front of an audience. More often, it begins before dawn, when no one is watching. The Greenkeeper understands that truth. So do the trousers that accompany every step. Engineered for endurance, refined through experience, and destined to remain one of the most intelligently designed garments in the history of professional outdoor workwear.